Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So I think it's been quite a few days. Like I think ये मेरा 10 दिन के बाद ये video आ रहा है because I got a bit busy few days, like for a few weeks. So yeah, today we're gonna do an unboxing for New Me. इस month का package we are gonna unbox, and I think this time I chose products that are like old money kind of wala kapra liya hai. So yeah, I already did the unboxing kal and I tried most of them and those were really cute. And yeah, let's get into it. Like शुरू करते हैं. So yeah, ये वाला पैकेज मुझे कल मिला था and this one I got today. And ये आज वाला में बस एक ही टॉप है. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys wearing it, quality, material, and the sizes. Is it worth the money? And the coupon code will be on the screen. सब कुछ I'll tell you guys. Okay, let's get into it. Let's check out the products in this package first. इसमें 4 products है and which one should I start with? I think I should start with this one. So this is a black dress, short black dress. Have you guys must have seen in Pinterest? उसमें जो यहाँ पे थोड़ा पुला है and नीचे is also पुला and बीच से tight वाला. So yeah, I got that one. I'll show you guys a picture of what I'm referring to and बाद में पहन के भी दिखाऊंगी. So yeah, this is the dress. Isn't this so cute? इतना प्यारा है. This dress is literally perfect. Like यहाँ से भी what do we call it? Pula pula hai, so you don't need to wear a bra inside. And this is also really great. Like you will get this like that. It will stick to your bottom, yeah, to your thighs if you have a big thighs. But मेरा जो थोड़ा सा like I am quite a bit like straight kind of girl, so थोड़ा सा हमको लूज है नीचे में, but still I love it. You can wear something अंदर में छोटा सा हाफ पैंट पहन सकते हो and then you can wear it, and the quality is absolutely great. It's kind of like a polyester, I think so. I don't know the qualities. मुझे quality और material बताना नहीं आता है. The straps are also really great. Like it's very thick, if you guys can see it, and I love it. The material, the fit, everything is great, and I got it in the size S. So yeah, I love it. I'll show you guys after trying it on. पहन के दिखाती हूँ. Now let's move on to the next dress, and this dress is, I have seen this everywhere in the Pinterest. हर जगह मैंने देखा हुआ है, and I was like, I really wanted it. मुझे ये चाहिए था in my wardrobe. So इसका sizes available नहीं था in the fast delivery, but I still got it because XSS ये सब कोई भी fast delivery में नहीं था. Only M was there. तो मैंने M ले लिया और ये थोड़ा सा loose है M की वजह से. But still it's really pretty, super pretty, and it gives off that old money vibe. So yeah, look at it. How pretty is this? The stripes and the color, the beige color, and everything is really pretty. It's exactly how it's shown in the picture, and quality भी अच्छा है इसका, but it's a little bit like see through, तो तुमको like match करना पड़ेगा inner wears what you are gonna wear. पीछे is stretchable hair, so if you go down a smaller size then also it's gonna be okay. But मेरा ये बड़ा हो गया है, M size लिया है, तो ये थोड़ा सा लूज है. So I was thinking कि शायद यहाँ से stitch करवा दूँ करके. But yeah, I'll see. I mean it looks okay-ish, so it's not that much of a problem. इसका material भी बहुत अच्छा है. It gives off like a khaki, but उतना पतला नहीं है, थोड़ा सा मोटा वाला खाकी जैसा लग रहा है. So yeah, the material is also really great. The fitting is great. It looks exactly like the side, like the picture on the website. And yeah, I'll show you guys after trying it on. Let's move on to the next product, and this is the dress that I have, like I wanted it कि next last month भी मुझे ये चाहिए था, but I was thinking कि this is quite impractical, like you can't wear it every day or it's not something that you usually wear, इसीलिए मैंने ये नहीं लिया था. But this time I got it, and also it does also give off that old money vibe, like where you, when you go out in a party or something like that. So ये ड्रेस भी बहुत सुंदर है. I'll show you guys a picture. And yeah, this is how it looks. Oh wait, it's this is how it looks. ये ऊपर का जो it is like a dress जो ऐसा है, and then waist में एक something drap है, and then you have a रस्सी on the side, which I'm gonna show you guys after wearing anyway, फिर भी. And yeah, it really literally hugs your body really well. And ये कौन सा size है? XS. So I really love it. But इसका भी, if you wear nude innerwears, it's gonna be okay. And shape थोड़ा सा दिखाई देगा, तो seamless innerwear underwear पहनने से अच्छा रहेगा. So the quality, material and everything is really great, like how we expect it to be. And yeah, I love it. So pretty. I'll show you guys. Wait, what do I say? Am I going too fast? Material is great. The similarity is absolutely exactly how it's shown in the picture, and the quality is great. The material is great, and the fitting is also really nice. So yeah, I'll show you guys the size and the price and the coupon code that you can use on the screen. So yeah, let's move on to the next product. This gave me a big surprise. I was not ready for it. Like I thought मैंने इसमें जो ना, ये जो website में only एक top दिखाया था, and I only got the top because I have been seeing it like influencers को पहनते हुए. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get this top. And अचानक से I got this as well, like a skirt. इसके साथ skirt भी मिला है, which I was not expecting. Like it was not shown on the picture. I'll show you guys here कि मतलब वहाँ पे लिखा भी नहीं था कि स्कर्ट भी आएगा करके, and I was so happy about it, and it's just so pretty. Like I have seen this wearing the girl no booty bui, I think so, it's on Instagram, and I love her dressing sense. So yeah, I love it. The material is also really great. Also ये जो I think it's not see through, इसमें double layer है, अंदर भी एक कपड़ा है. So yeah, although I don't like the ये ribbon, it's very thick. थिक होके जो ना तान से एक ही जगह में रहते हैं, अच्छे से नीचे गिरता नहीं है. सो दैट्स द ओनली प्रॉब्लम आई हैव, बट आई थिंक इट्स फिक्सेबल, एंड इसका साइज है S. सो या इट कम्स विद अ pair of skirts which is really cute if you wear it high waist करके ऊपर में पहनो, and इसको ऊपर पहनने से it looks absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys after wearing it. And yeah, this was the first package. Let's open the second one. This is the package that came today, and I thought I always buy stuffs that are like one time wear or too much for a daily wear. So मैंने सोचा कि I'll buy stuff that I can wear every day. So I think you guys must have seen this top. लास्ट ईयर बहुत चला था शायद ड्यूरिंग विंटर जब केंडल जेनर पहना था. सो yeah, this is the top that I got, and I think the color is absolutely gorgeous, but I was not expecting this material. I was expecting कि थोड़ा पतला होगा करके, but it is quite thick and I really like it. And इतना ज़्यादा stretchable नहीं है, but it's a little bit stretchable, and it's in the size XS. And yeah, I love it. The material is great. इसका जो design है आजकल, I think people are leaving crop tops behind and they are transitioning into more like lamba blouses and pretty tops and stuff. So yeah, that's why I got this to wear normally on a daily basis. So yeah, that was all. And that was it, and I hope you guys like my collection, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then do like, share and subscribe, and you can check out my other videos. Also, I finally got to have some perks of YouTube. So I don't think you would want to, but if you want to, then you can sign up for my membership, which cost around 120 or 89 rupees, I don't know, something like that, per month. So yeah, you can do that, for which you will get, I think, early access to the videos or something like that. I mean, there's not much of perks there, but still, yeah, if you want, then you can. And yeah, that's it. Okay, bye.